Hey there, it's Sean Bailey, the Sales Funnel Nerd. Welcome to this video here. This is day one. Exciting, isn't it? We're going to jump right into day one here and start talking about sales funnels. And first off, what we're going to talk about is websites versus sales funnels and a little bit about that. Now, the first thing that I want to explain to you here is that, in my opinion, websites are dying. Now, what that means is that when you go to an average website, there's like 25 different things to click on and do, and things to fill out, and options, and menus, and all that kind of stuff. I find that just way too overwhelming for the average person, and it doesn't really let us accomplish our goals in the way that sales funnels do. Now, sales funnels are different because it's an arrangement of websites that are designed to move the customer through their journey. Well, what does that mean? That means that the sales funnel is designed to get someone and turn them from a visitor into a lead, or from a lead into a customer. And that could be buying your product, it could be booking an appointment as a client, it could be attending your event, it could be signing up for a webinar. So there's a lot of things that a sales funnel will do better than a website. So that's why I say why sales funnels are better than websites and why websites are dying. Now, that being said, guess what? I have a website. Crazy, right? Now, the reason I have a website is that I use it essentially as a blog, but I use it for more than that. And what I use it for is some SEO, that's search engine optimization. So if people type in certain terms, they might come along and find my blog, find my website. Now, I've got links inside all of my blog posts that lead people to the start of sales funnels, right? So really the blog and the website is just kind of a launch pad to get people into particular sales funnels. And that's really all I use it for. So that being said, I want to show you how you can get your own website and how to check out different website names really quickly and easily. So this lesson today isn't going to be very long and it's going to be really easy. And the reason that I say I'm going to show you how to get your own .com website is because .com websites just look more professional in my opinion. Right? There's nothing wrong with having a website that isn't a .com, so that's totally fine. But in my professional opinion, if you're just starting out, if it's your first one, you may want to try and go for a .com website. So that being said, let's find out how you do this. So the nice thing is that when you hit GoDaddy here, you can see your costs here. You can see it's like $10 for the year, $11 for a .com email address. Now that's to register and hold that URL for the year. So SeanBailey.com, if I wanted that one, just type in the domain name that I want here, hit search, and it'll tell me whether or not that's available. And I can get different ones if I want. I can get SeanBailey.com, .ca, .life, .store, .net, all sorts of different options in here. So the cool thing is you can go through and search, but what you can do is if you have a way to generate a whole bunch of bulk names, you can use their bulk online domain checker here. So check this out here. I went through and I was just kind of playing around with this one of the tools that I have here, and it generated a bunch of domain name ideas. So what I did is I just went in here, grabbed them all, highlighted them all, and copied them, and then pasted them into here, into their bulk domain checker. I'm going to actually just go back one screen so you can see it. So all you have to do is just paste all of your names. When you have a bulk list, you just paste it into this box here, and then you hit go, and it'll tell you which ones are available. So let's do it again here. So the nice thing is this has already got the .com added to it, so I don't have to do anything with this. I'm just going to click go. And there we go. We can see out of all these ones, I don't know how many I copied and loaded into it, but the bulk of them, most of them you can see are available here. So if I wanted like the weight loss, the lose weight survival guide.com, middle-aged men and lose weight.com. Let's see. Quick and easy lose weight tips.com, lose weight Bible, not bad. Loseweightdecoded.com, quick and easy loseweightguide.com. So lots of different ones you can see if you've got a tool. There's some tools that'll generate a bunch of different bulk domain names, but this will let you check and see what's available. And then once you've decided which ones you want, so I don't actually want all 44 of these here, so we could say I'll unselect all. Maybe we're going to go with lose weight Bible or lose weight explained. How about that? We're going to actually select two. And then all we would need to do is just go click to proceed to checkout. And there we go. And it gives us our options as far as registering here. So do we want these two domains? Maybe we only want one, but you can see for two domains, $26, right? Super, super cheap here. Now, as far as getting your domain name, there's lots of different add-ons and whatnot. I would probably just go with just your basic purchase here. And that's it. That's how easy it is to go in with GoDaddy find a domain that you like, and register it here. So your homework for today is going to be to go over to GoDaddy, try out their bulk domain checker. Like I say, this part here is kind of optional. What I'm going to be showing you with sales funnels doesn't necessarily require you having a website, but this is just kind of a way for you to check it out and get your feet wet and go in there. Try out finding out some different domain names, try out their bulk domain checker, and have a little fun with that today. And I will see you in the next video.